Here, here we are, everyone. Here we are. See where we are. We are ready. We are born ready. Who is this man here?
Live, Mr. Buj himself. From zero to hero. I'm here.
Big up, Mr. Bojo.
Munk truck garage.
Big up every other trucker in Jamaica.
Man, straight,
We're here to represent you all. See the team there?
I'm the chosen one, you know?
Yeah, for this.
This is mine, by the way. So I enter. And Chris is right here. Morning, Bridget. How are you?
Morning, Neville. How are you?
We can't complain. Give thanks. I hope you had a great holiday, and I hope you're going to have a great New Year's. All right, son?
I will.
I know it's not the first truck show in Jamaica, but I hear that this is the biggest one. Why you decided to put this up?
Because we are in the trucking industry for years, and this has always been a family dream.
Yeah.
We want to make sure that the entire world will be at this truck show, whether it's online or wherever. So we are making Maple and Clarendon come alive again. We're not only having a truck show, but we'll be having a New Year's Eve party where we're ringing the New Year with 4 spectacular minutes of fireworks. So you don't need to go to a different parish or a different country to see fireworks again. Fireworks will be at Maple at your doorstep. Now let me get in the meat of the matter. Munk presents Truck Show 2022 a New Year's Eve party along with our title sponsor Fleetmaster and Cash Money. Let me big up Nestle for sponsoring this interview. They'll be at the truck show with their Maggie. So they'll have a Maggie complimentary truck giving away complimentary soup and having different Maggie giveaways. The truck show part will be in two different categories. So we'll have the truck show category and the exhibition category. Sorry about that. So the truck show itself will take on the show and shine trucks, while the exhibition will take on all the trucks from all over Jamaica. Some of the categories are Best Kenner, Best International, Best Freightliner, Best Peterbilt, Best Western Star, Best Ford, Best Interior, Best Engine Bay, Best Paint Job, Best Chrome, and so on and so forth.
Who will judge?
The judges are some international professional judges that were recommended to us by Mecca Chrome Shop out of Miami in the United States. These judges are coming all the way from Detroit in the USA. I don't know them, or nobody on my team doesn't know them. And I can assure you, I don't think no Jamaican know them. So we did this for transparency, so when a man win the show,
And can't say that.
because nobody can say it's a conflict of interest.
Yeah, man.
So we spend a lot of money on this. I am the only one from my team that has communicated with them via telephone and email. I'm picking them up on the 29th at the airport, and I have to just go there with a big sign that says Munk Truck Show, and they identify themselves.
What will the winners of the different categories get?
All right, the winner of the show and shine competition will get $500,000 plus a trophy. The second place winner will get $250,000 plus a trophy, while the third place winner will get $125,000 plus a trophy. For those categories that I've listed before, like Best Kenworth, Best Peterbilt, they will get $50,000 each for each category. Plus, if they win Best Engine Bay, it's another $50,000 plus a trophy. It's over $3 million in cash and prizes for them to win.
All right, remind me of the date and the location, the start time.
All right, the date is December 31st, which is New Year's Eve. The show starts at 10 a.m. and we are inviting all truckers to come out early. You can register from the day before to 10 a.m. in the morning. It will be a day. We have crammed 3 days worth of event into one day. So we need to start early to get everything done. For the exhibition section, we have lots of secret exhibitions that we are not disclosing that will blow your mind, patrons. This will be the best truck show in the world, I can assure you. Maypen will come alive, Jamaica will come alive, the entire world will be watching the show. There's a lot of people overseas that have already bought their tickets.
You mentioned tickets, how much is it?
It's 2,500 pre-sold for general, 6,500 for VIP, and with the VIP is catered by Morris Fish and Jerk Cut in Maypen. For the kids, it's 1,000 general. We did it for general and pre-sold 1,000 because we want the kids to come because we have a kids section that my daughter there, Bianca, and everybody else will be in charge of. The kids section will have bounce about go-karts, moon dome, trampoline, kids treats such as popcorn, snow cone, and etc. etc.
You have a VVIP too?
Yes,
Watch
we have
our
a Kamala
face.
section that includes a VVIP. That section is a little bit of a secret because we're putting a mix to the cabana itself. So it's food inclusive, but the way we are setting it up, the VVIPs will be very, very special.
How people going to know who win and stuff? Where are you going to announce that?
It will be announced over live broadcast because we'll have media house on site that will broadcast it live, and we have Jerry D there to announce the winner.
Come on, and ask Mojo something, man.
And the hype type. We also have for the party section of the event. We also have a good selection that is handpicked by the team of DJs. These DJs include Teen Sheller, Licorice, DJ Shampoozy, and our own Sir Toxic, Loyalty Vacay. We are inviting you truckers, please come out early. Tickets are 90% sold out. That's pre-sold at this point. And which day is it? It's just Wednesday morning. So it's not my fault if you come late and you have to pay extra at the gate.
Anything else you want to tell us before we go?
Yes, I would like to thank everybody who have shared the truck show on every social media, who have motivated us along the way. I would like to thank God for this experience. Thank Nestle and Maggie for sponsoring this interview as well. I want to big up our title sponsor, Fleetmaster, Cash Money, big up Total Tools, which is one of our big sponsors as well. He'll be providing the generators and lights for the event. I want to make sure that everybody know that this event have over 85 security, which include the police, Max Squad security, and a private security company. It will be a very safe event, and we are looking forward to a very productive day that, as I said before, will blow patient minds away.
All right, good to see you. It's Christopher Rickman.
I want to say one more thing
quickly.
Remember, I want to emphasize the fireworks because it's not only a truck show. We have included everybody for a family fun day, and we just expect that. We just want you to come out and just enjoy yourself as a family.
All right.
Thank you again, Neville.
Yeah,
and I know it will be a truck show 2022. Thank TVJ, the entire team.
Yeah, we have forgot. We're running out of time now, so we have to go for a break. Stay with us more and smile when we come back.
All them, Chris.
The Zip List. All right, Ziptocrats, what's up? Welcome to the Zip List. It's the girl Safari here alongside ZJ Chrome. What's poppin'?
What's going on? You good?
I am okay. I'm chill now. It's like the Christmas, season kind of wrap up.
Yeah.
And we're in the middle now before we cross over into the new year. So I'm chill. I'm chilling right here.
Okay, the calm before the storm.
The calm before the storm again. All right, let's see what's popping on the list today. The list is all about keeping you updated on what you need to be doing and where you need to be going. All right, let's get straight into it. On Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve, December 31, it's all about Munk Garage and their truck show. It's happening in Clarendon. I have with me on the line, he is Christopher Rickman, the promoter behind the event. Christopher, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Sapphire.
Hey.
Please come and chill with us. On Munk Garage Truck Show on New Year's Eve.
I'm gonna definitely make an effort to come on down and see what this is like. All right, tell me more about the truck show. What should our patrons look forward to?
Maypen will be lit. Maypen Clarendon will come alive on December 31st. We'll be ringing in the new year with history down here in Maypen. We are carrying fireworks to Clarendon which will be the first time fireworks will be in Clarendon. Let's get in the meat of the matter. Munk Garage, in association with Fleetmaster and Cash Money, presents Truck Show 2022 and New Year's Eve party.
So this is an event where all the trucks within the Clarendon area, they come out, and what really happens on the ground?
This is a very big event. It's all the trucks from all over Jamaica will be at this event.
Okay.
It is not only for pretty trucks. It's for the show shine competition will be for show trucks, but we have this divided the trucking, the day's activity into two parts.
Okay.
So we have the show and shine where it goes off different categories, such as best lighting, loudest Jake, loudest horn, best Kenworth, best international, best Spirit Line, and best Peterbilt. While we have the exhibition section of the show. For the night's activity, we are ringing in the new year with 4 spectacular minutes of fireworks. And then we have handpicked the DJs for the night party. So these DJs are DJ Shampoozy, Little Richie, Team Seller, DJ Toxic, Loyalty VK, and we'll be using Charlie Mobile, which is the biggest and the best mobile phone in Jamaica.
Okay. I know this is also a family-oriented kind of vibe, because I see where children can also attend. Talk about the cost of the tickets for me.
All right, let's talk about the children first, since you mentioned the children. We have a kiddies corner where we have bounce about, trampoline, go-kart, etc. We have kids streets such as cotton candy, snow cone, popcorn. The entry fee is $1,000 for kids, both pre-sold and at the gate. We did it that way because we want mommy and daddy to carry the kids. For adults, it's $6.5 pre-sold for VIP, $2.5 pre-sold for general entrance. You can get tickets all island at the major truck parts dealers. Murray's Fish and Jerkut is also a ticket. In Kingston, we have our own title sponsor, Fleetmaster, which is also a ticket agent. Every trucking thing, MJ Trucking. In Otrius, you have our own Total Tools, which is also a big sponsor of the show. Big up to Total Tools as well. You have Used Professional Pharmacy in Ochi as well. In St. Anne's, you have Otar's Garage. In Montego Bay, you have Pesco Portobello. In Westmoreland, you have Fuel City in front of Clark's Hardware. In Mandeville, you have Fuel City and Retro Auto, which is behind Knoxford Express. You have Gas Mart in Kingsland and Gas Mart in St. Elizabeth. And in Top Hill, you have our own Master Auto in Top Hill Junction. That is in St. Thomas. You have Gas Mart and Advanced Auto. Gas Mart is in Dallas, Advanced Auto is in Albion.
But Christopher, this is a huge event and it's happening at WoodLeigh Sports Complex in Maypen, Clarendon.
Yes. I'll tell you where WoodLeigh Sports Complex is, but I must first tell you, tickets are 90% sold out. So, and the tickets will cost more at the gate. So I'm telling everybody to go out and get their tickets early. For the location now, it's 2 roundabouts in Maypen here. WoodLeigh is located in the roundabout when you run the toll road to the entire leg of it. And it's the first left turn on the unpaved road. You follow it around about 1/4 acres. The property is 69 acres, so it can host the event. There is enough parking. We have 85 security, so come out, feel free. We have lots of lighting and from cell tools, so the event will look like daylight in the night. Coming from Mandeville, it's the first roundabout that you'll approach. Fleetmaster, our title sponsor, sponsored and a big huge billboard, and we put a literal truck in that billboard in the roundabout, so it's visible from anywhere that you're coming from.
Can't miss it. All right, thank you. We're gonna wrap this interview up. Any additional details you want to share, and also big up your sponsors before you go?
Yes, I want to big up all my sponsors, but the additional details first would be, I want to thank everybody, all stakeholders involved for sharing, motivating us, and you can find us on Chris Munk Truck Show and follow us on Instagram, or Munk Truck Show on Instagram. You can call myself 351-4524, which is 876 for additional detail. You can WhatsApp me So just to big up the sponsors, I want to big up Gibson Petroleum, which is another big sponsor, Town and Country, Beverly's, China Truck, which is another big sponsor, selling some of the Chinese trucks, and Nestle as well, which will be having a Maggie kitchen on site. I want to big up Morris. Morris Fish and Jerkut will be doing the catering for the VIP area. Mm-hmm. This event will blow the mind of every Patreon. We have so much exhibition. Some of these exhibitions are gas oil extraction from fuel tank, rim relay, tire relay, beer drinking. The person that can bring the best toy truck made in Jamaica will get 50,000 plus a trophy. For each exhibition, it will be 50,000 plus a trophy. So we have over $1 million, $3 million in cash and prizes to give away. Yes.
All right.
We have lots of surprise exhibitions for the day's event, which we cannot disclose because those are the real exhibition of the show.
Okay. All right, Titocrats, there you have it. Thank you so much, Christopher Rickman, promoter behind the Munk Garage Truck Show New Year's Eve party happening at WoodLeigh Sports Complex in Maypen, Clarendon. Go.
I want to remind them of the fireworks. Come out for the fireworks. The fireworks company, they promised to give me some big shells. Mm-hmm. You don't need to go out of parish or go overseas to see fireworks anymore. We have fireworks here, and the entry fee is a fraction of the cost of what you will pay to go somewhere else. So it will be right at your doorstep here.
All right, perfect way to ring in the new year. All right, thank you so much, Christopher. We look forward to this one, all right?
All right, thank you.
On what Fleetmaster did for us for the truck show. Now, this is a good title sponsor. We appreciate you, Fleetmaster. It looks so nice in the roundabout. Perfectly done.